Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete the cache from Google Chrome here in an Android phone. So what you're going to do is go to the settings app of your phone and then scroll down until you see apps, and then you're going to search for the Google Chrome app. It's this one, and then scroll down again, go to storage, and here we can see that the cache is 219 MB, and we can click clear cache. So once it's like light gray already, so it means it already cleared the cache, and as you can see it's zero memory now in the cache. So with doing this, you are removing outdated temporary data to free up storage space and resolve technical glitches. So it removes unnecessary storage and then also improves your device performance. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.